If you are using Facebook and Instagram ads to send people to your website or landing page, then you must have a Facebook pixel installed on your website. And if you don't have Facebook pixel on your website, you are just losing money and you are destroying your business and leaving a lot of money on table. So in this video, I am going to show you step-by-step guide how to set up Facebook or Meta Pixel to install on your website easily and in the right way. Before showing you step-by-step steps to how to install the pixel, I'll just explain you what is Meta Pixel. The Meta Pixel is a piece of code that install on your website that can help you better understand the effectiveness of your advertising and the action that people take on your website, such as visiting page or adding an item to your cart or purchasing something or browsing your different products. You will be able to see when customer take an action after seeing your ad on Facebook and Instagram. So whatever you do with the ad, like engage with the ad, click on the shop now button or book now button, right? Facebook will track you, and the pixel will help Facebook to track those action and help you retarget those people. And when you see the conversion API alongside the pixel, it creates a more reliable connection that helps the delivery system decrease your cost. When your Facebook pixel is trained and know what kind of people uh, come to your website, right? So Facebook create a very reliable connection that helps the delivery system, that is Facebook system, decrease the cost of acquisition, whether it's a lead, whether it's a purchase. It will optimize the delivery of ads, ensure that your ads reach the people most likely to take action. Measure cross device conversions. Understand how your cross devices ads help influence online conversion. Create custom audiences from website visitors. Dynamic ads help you automatically show website visitors the products they viewed on your website or related ones. Learn about your website traffic. Get rich insight about how people use your website from your Metapixel dashboard. You can see all of these things clearly in your event manager. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 37 million in revenue for my clients. So if you want me to run ads for your business, you can reach out to me using the link in description and comment down if you have any kind of doubts. I will be more than happy to help you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Let's start the video. So right now you are in my test ad account. I'll just show you where to start with. If you have a ads manager, then it's good. If you don't have, you can just go create ads manager using business.facebook.com/overview. Right from there, you can create an ad account. So here you are in my test ad account. This is the dashboard of the ad accounts, right? You can see account overview, campaigns, ad reporting. From here, you need to go on all tools, click on the event manager. Now you need to click it on connect data sources. You will see different option. Data sources is the pixel. This is current pixel. Here you need to click on connect data sources. Click on web option. Hit the connect. Name this data set. So name your pixel currently with your website or your business name. Test. I'll just put it over here. So create a new data sets. That means you are here creating a data set. Don't get confused that it is not showing create a new pixel. Pixel is coming under the dataset category. Put your website URL for video purpose. I'll just put my website. I already have a pixel on my website, so just to show you how it goes, devicestudio.org. Check. Next. Find a setup method. Choose do it yourself. Here you will have the two options: Metapixel and Conversion API. Metapixel only. So go with the first one. Now again you have a three options: setup with partner integration. What is partner integration is this is the platform on which your website is. It can either be Wix, it can either be WordPress, Shopify, whatever it is, right? So you can use that or set up with the conversion API gateway. It has very technical terms, so avoid it. Either you set up with partner integration or set up manually. Right, setup with partner integration is easily, but for this video I'll just show you how to set up manually. Right, here you are in your dashboard. where you are setting up the conversion API also, right? Zero event selected. So this is the dashboard where you have to select what kind of events you want on your website. If it's a e-commerce, choose view content, uh, add payment info, add to wish list, initiate checkout, purchase, add to cart. These are the relevant events for your business. If it is not a e-commerce, then just uh, use schedule to book a call or view content, search on the website, contact, submit applications. It will initiate your, like when somebody click on your contact and submit a form, it will initiate that, right? So these are the things that you need to take according to your website. These are the events that we have selected, and these are the parameters that you want to select, right? So select whatever the information you need, right? Just like first name, surname, gender, phone number, country, date of birth, town, city, email address, and specifically country also, external ID, right? Do it for all the, right? Hit the continue button. These are your parameters. Click on confirm setup and hit the finish button. After doing all that stuff, you will land on this. Now you have to set up the pixel on your website, right? So we will set up meta pixel. Click over here, install code manually. This is your base code that can be installed on your website, and it should be on the header. Click on this copy code and paste it on the header of your website. It will cover all the pages. Click on continue. Turn on at automatic advanced matching. This will turn on all the relevant parameters. Go to pixel overview, and that's it. Your pixel is set up in the event manager, right? Now if you want to set up with a partner integration, I'll just show you that process also. Set up metapixel. Click on check for partners. Now you have to select the relevant partner like Wix, WooCommerce, WordPress, Shopify. If it's an e-commerce, then most probably people using Shopify and WooCommerce, like or WordPress. For this video, I'll just show you how to do the with Shopify. Right, go to your sales channel, search Facebook, follow the instruction, install this application on your Shopify dashboard. After installing the Facebook, click on get started. Connect your Facebook account. You will receive a pop-up like this. Continue as the profile. After that, you need to select your business assets. That will be Facebook page, Facebook pixel, Facebook ad account. Everything should be the assets that you will be using. You need to select your Facebook page and Instagram. Connect it over there. Just follow the simple process, right? And click on the submit for review. After installing all that stuff, your settings will look like this, right? I'll just show you one more setting that you need to turn on. So generally, when you install a Facebook application on Shopify, you are required to choose out of three options. Don't use these two options. Click on the maximum. This will allow Facebook pixel and API to work at its best, right? So always choose go with the maximum. For WordPress, just go to WordPress, right? And just go to your WordPress dashboard, search for the plugin as a Facebook officially by Meta or Facebook, install that, follow all these same procedure that I did with the Shopify, and yeah, that's it. For the lead generation, or you want people to inquire on your website, I'll just show you how to do that. So it will be similar to that, but I'll just show you how to set up the pixel for that. This is my website. I already have a pixel, as you can see. If you have any partner integration like Wix or something like that, or WordPress, install the Facebook pixel through that. We just plug in or follow the instruction, something similar to this. I'll just show you. My website is on Wix, so go to this, turn on advanced matching, settings. Just follow all the steps that Facebook is telling you. You don't have to do anything crazy over here. Just do this thing, right? right? And after you do that, this is not the actual URL of the pixel. If you install the correct pixel on the correct domain, you will see the green button that is showcasing that it is working. And yeah, just click over here and click on the confirmation. Now you can, I'll just tell you one more thing. Now you can track the things that are on the website, right? Like if you want to track some kind of action on your website, that is clicking on the button, then also you can set up this thing. Go to add events, add a new integration, metapixel, right? And event setup tools, or go to your open event setup tool. After installing the pixel on your website, right, on this platform using the instruction, just copy your link, right, and go to the test events, and an open website. And here, whatever the action you want to track, you can track it. Facebook will show you all the test events. This is the correct way to set up the Facebook pixel. I hope you like this video. Thank you.